Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can create your Etsy shopping account on your mobile device. So if you haven't downloaded the app, you can download it from Play Store or App Store. I'm Android user, so I'll be downloading through Play Store. For that, open the Play Store first and search for Etsy, ETSY. Now beside the app you will see install button, so hit the green button and wait until it is downloaded. So after the app is completely downloaded, you will see the open button by the side of app. Tap on that. Now tap on black button where it says get started. Here you will see different options for sign up, and you will see the last option where it says don't have an account. Beside that it's written registered. Tap on that. Now enter your detailed information. What they ask for, you must enter your first name, your email address and a password. After you have entered all the detailed information, hit the register button. So I've successfully created my Etsy account on my mobile device. So this is how you can also create your account in Etsy and shop from this app. I hope this video helped you. If you like our video, please don't forget to hit subscribe button and like the video. Thank you.